welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun, groovy, basic hip-hop routine to teach you. It's good for all ages and all levels. So grab those tennis shoes, let's watch a quick preview, and we'll get started. 5, 6, 7, 8. One, we're gonna snap it out. 2, we're gonna cross again. 3, we're gonna step it out. 4, we're gonna jump our feet straight out. 5, shoot those hands back, drop it down on 6, snap that head up. 7, 8, we're gonna bring this foot in on 1. So once again, this is cross, out, jump. 5, 6, up, 7, 8, hit 1. We're gonna go and 2. From there, we're gonna do 2 snaps. 3, 4, just hip to hip. From here, we're gonna circle our arm up. 5, we're gonna throw it away on 6, and again on the other side. 7, throw it away on 8. So let's piece that together from the beginning. Nice and slow. We cross 1, 2, 3, 4, jump it up. 5, down, 7, 8, bring it in. 1 and 2, snap. 3, 4, bring it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From there, we're gonna do 4 steps. We're gonna circle those arms out, up and out. We're gonna step 1, 2, then we're gonna do the same thing but bring it up. 3, 4. From there, we're gonna punch our arms forward. 5, bring it back. 6, we're gonna go to the side. 7, we're gonna ball change. And 8, and bring it to our hips. So once again, we step 1, 2, up. 3, 4, you punch. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's piece that together from the very beginning. We cross 1, 2, 3, 4, jump it out. 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it in. 1 and 2, snap. 3, 4, circle. 5, throw it. 6, 7, again 8. You stomp it. 1, 2, bring it up. 3, 4, you punch. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. From there, we're going to use our rib cage and go side to side. 1, 2. Now we're going to go side to side again, but we're going to scoot. 3, 4. So once again, you're here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, we're going to step onto that foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to take 4 walks, and whatever foot I'm stepping on is the way that I'm throwing those arms. Throw, throw. Good. From the very beginning, we cross 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it in. 1 and 2. Snap. 3, 4, 5. Throw. 7, throw. Circle. 1, 2, bring it up. 3, 4, you punch. 5, 6, scoop. 7 and 8. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I step right, left, right, left. Good. I'm going to do that whole thing facing the back as well, so you can see the other angles. 5, 6, 7, 8. You cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump it out. 5. Down. 7, 8. Bring it in. 1 and 2. Snap. 3, 4. Circle. 5. Throw. 7, throw. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I said 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on from there. We just did our 4 walks. We're going to go side to side. On this part, I want you to be a little more creative with your movement. You don't have to look exactly like me, but we're going to basically just scoop and snake our head one way and a pop, scoop the other way and a pop. So we're going to step that foot out, and we're going to scoop and snake it 1, 2. We're going to drop 3 and 4 with that chest pop. Now go the other way, but you can like go up if you want to. You can go down. You can be creative. Now go the other way. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it just goes side to side, the same exact thing. From there, you're going to dip. 1, 2, go the other way. 3, 4. We're going to jump it out. 5. You're going to do 2 chest pops. 6, 7, and I'm going corner, corner. Then I'm taking that foot and I'm pushing it away and crossing those hands out. So those couple counts of 8. We scoop. 1, 2, 3, pop, pop, other way. 5, 6, 7, pop, pop. We drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. We jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's go ahead and piece that together from the beginning. Then there's just a little bit more choreography. We cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it in. 1 and 2. You snap, snap. Circle 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4. You punch 5, 6. Slide ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. You step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Snake your way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Other way. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. From there, we're going to push our hands out. 1, drop 2. Do it again. 3, 4. From here, we're going to groove with our shoulders. 5 and 6. So I'm doing 3 shoulders and back the other way. 7 and 8. So once again, this is push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From here, we're going to swing those arms all the way up. 1. We're going to bring it in on 2. Go the other way again. 3, 4. From here, we're going to do 2 chest pop stomps. 5, 6. We're going to do a big circle. 7. Jump it together on 8. And throw it on 1. All right, let's go over that last section one more time. We push it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Up 1 to our hips. 2, 3, 4. From here, we chest, pop, circle, clean, throw. Good. Let's go ahead and piece that together from the very beginning. I will do it facing the front and the back so you can see every angle. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. You cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it in. 1 and 2. Snap. 3, 4. Bring it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. You circle down, down, up, up. You punch. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch. 5, 6, 7. Snake your way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Other way. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Dip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulders, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, bring it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, 5, 6, circle, clean, throw, 1. And facing the back, 6, 7, 8, you cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it in, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, set, right, left, right, snake your way, 1, 2, 3, and 4, other way, 5, 6, 7, and dip, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump it out, 5, 6, 7, 8, push, 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulders, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, bring it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, chest pop, 5, 6, 7, 8, throw, 1. All right, guys, let's go ahead and speed this up just a little bit before we piece it together with the music. Ready? 5, 6, ready, go. Cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, snake your way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Other way, 5, 6, 7, and dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, chest pop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, guys, it is now time to piece this choreography together with the music. Remember, you can always speed it up, slow it down, and piece it to your favorite song. So good luck and try your best. 6, If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.